Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on your PlayStation 5 using the PlayStation app on your iPhone. And this is relatively easy to do. Just go on over to the App Store right here, then go to Search, and make sure you download this application called PlayStation App right here. And this is what it looks like. Once you have this, open it up, sign in with your email address and password associated with your PlayStation account. Then you're going to see your friends list up on top. Now let's go to our profile picture and select that. Then it's going to bring you to this page. And you can see a section where it says online status. We can tap this now. It says online, busy, or appear offline. And this should apply to your PlayStation 5 as well. So if you appear offline on the app here, you're going to be appearing offline on your PlayStation 5. And you can do this before you log in, so your friends never get a notification that you came online. So before you log online, go to appear offline on the app, then turn on your PlayStation 5, and your friends won't see a notification pop up on their phone or their PlayStation. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.